Do you wonder how is it that the small, local hotel chains are beating bigger hotel chains in dealing with COVID-19? In the pursuit of customers as travel and tourism slowly ramp back up, leaner, hungrier hotel chains are setting the pace, leaving traditional industry giants lumbering behind like dinosaurs trying to avoid extinction. Small chains are leading the technological arms race to adapt themselves to the new reality created by COVID-19. While the small and medium-sized chains have integrated safety measures such as contactless communication, contactless check-in and check-out, advanced sanitation solutions, and more protocols, the larger brands remain hesitant, waiting to see the new protocols' effectiveness before implementing them in their hotels. We analyzed a few key reasons for the fast moves by smaller chains. Willingness to working with startups is the key for these smaller hotels. They want to hear about cutting-edge technology, and they want to move fast. Moreover, they don't have any built-in prejudices working against their ability to innovate. Large organizations generally do not like working with startups, as the risk factor skews too far. Fears pervade their thoughts concerning if a startup can handle scalability. These concerns are justified, and there are some startups that will fail in the process, run out of money, and see their customers switch to their competitors. But some are not all, and big brand hotel chains can use intelligent business deals to test whether startups can meet their requirements and demands before they completely hand over the keys to the operation. Quick decision-making reigns. As a general rule, corporations take a long time to change. Often solely because of their size, but also because there are way too many decision-makers and an overabundance of infrastructure in place. We can see this across the board regardless of industry. The situation is no different in the hotel industry. Small players decide quickly and punch the clock while big players move slowly. Ability to enforce decisions quickly. Most big players deal with the complex structure of franchise and management hotels out of necessity. But this complex management structure hinders a fuller deployment. They aren't being stingy with their funds. It is just the way the chain is structured, and the fact that they just need to see results in their cash cows before they farm out the new tech to the rest of the herd. Since COVID-19 restrictions have begun to ease, and we have started to see tremendous demand from hotel chains of all types and sizes. The small hotel chains have been quicker to embrace new technologies with open arms. They are proactively searching for technology that will solve their problems, and are open to learning what's in the market. They are exceptionally aware that providing the services that make customers feel safe again has become the definitive differentiator among competitors. The large hotel chains may talk about deploying the product in thousands of hotels via deals that are worth millions of dollars. But in reality, they are missing the most important point of understanding which technologies are the most beneficial and implementing them as quickly as possible. Business leaders around the world must understand COVID-19 disrupted everyone's plans. Companies will have to change the way they work, and faster than ever before. Innovate or die has never been more relevant.